Hey, I'm Paul with rackattack.com, and this is the Yakima BaseLine JetStream roof rack system for the 2011 through 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee with a bare roof. This system comprises three components, starting with the BaseLine towers, set of 4, and the JetStream load bars, set of 2, offered in silver or black, and 2 sets of 2 of the BaseLine pad and clip sets. And I'll go over all these components in detail, starting with the JetStream load bar. This one we've cut down so that you can see the extruded aluminum box beam construction. The overall shape is designed to minimize wind noise and wind drag. There is a slot that runs along the top of the bar to accommodate certain accessories for a very clean, integrated method of attachment. And on the underside of the bar is another slot in which the tower is fastened. Alongside that slot are measurement numbers, which correspond to numbers in the instruction sheet, which will guide you in the correct positioning of the tower on the bar. The tower itself has multiple adjustments to provide a very custom fit to the vehicle. And to access those adjustments, you would simply press in on the 2 sides of the cover where the 3 dots are and pull back and down, and that will expose access to the fasteners. Now here we have 2 panels. We'll access this first panel at the top, and that gives us ability to tighten the tower to the bar. That fastener also is a pitch adjustment, and that will help to compensate for curvature in the roof line. Now, when we close this panel, you'll see how that will restrict access to that fastener. Now below we have another adjustment, and that adjustment is for the toe, and we'll go ahead and demonstrate with the tool that's provided with the towers. So we just loosen that up, and that allows us to set one of the 3 points of adjustments for the pad and clip assembly. And that will help to best match the positioning of the door frame and the area of the door frame and the roof line. So when we tighten, we just tighten and this handle will click, and that indicates you've reached the correct tightness. Now under the cover area here, we have another adjustment, and that when tightened will pull this clip against the door frame. Under this hatch, there's a fastener, and when tightened, that will pull this clip up against the door frame. Now the clip itself is made of strong steel with a black powder coated finish. There is a rubber pad where the clip contacts with the painted surface of the door frame, and that'll help provide grip and protection to the finish. This pad assembly pivots, and the rubber itself is provided in different shapes to best match the contours of the roof where it's resting. Now when we put the cover back on, it just connects at the bottom and snaps at the top. Here you'll notice there's this plastic plug, and that plug can be replaced with a Yakima SKS, known as Same Key System, lock core. These cores are sold separately in match sets, so you can have all 4 of your towers as well as other compatible SKS compatible accessories and carriers all key matched. Okay, so those are all the main features of the Yakima BaseLine JetStream roof rack system. This product and the full line of Yakima products are available at rackattack.com. Please see the link in the video description for all your buying options. If you have any questions or comments about this particular system, feel free to leave that in the comments section below. And consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. We have over 2,000 rack-related videos, and we upload new videos weekly. That's all for this one, and thanks for watching.